In this video, we're going to explain you how to recover DOT when you accidentally transfer DOT to a Kusama address using a Ledger device. Make sure you have your Ledger device near you and a device on which you can connect to Polka.js. To get started, plug in your Ledger device, go to Polka.js and make sure you have the latest version of the Polka.app installed. On Polka.js, click on Settings and connect your Ledger device. Open the Accounts dashboard on Polka.js. On your Ledger device, open the Polka.app and click on the right button until Developed by Zondeck.ch appears on your screen. Now, click on both buttons simultaneously 10 times until a warning message appears. Once you see this message, continue clicking on the right button of your Ledger device until you see the option Approve. Click both buttons of your device to activate the recovery mode. You should see DOT recovery mode on your screen. Go back to Polka.js and click on Add via Ledger. Give your new account a name and make sure you use the same derivation types as when you initially created your Polka.dot account. In your list of accounts, you should now be able to see the DOT account on which your blocked funds are stored. Now it's time to retrieve the funds. Click on Send next to the wallet with the blocked funds. Select the address you would like to send your blocked funds to and click on Make a transfer. Now click on Sign and Submit and sign the transaction with your Ledger device. Make sure to double check if the amount to send and the receiving address are correct. Once you've signed the transaction with your Ledger device, a green pop-up will appear on Polka.js. This means that the transaction has been executed successfully. Your blocked funds are retrieved and you should be able to see the correct balance on both accounts.